In primetime news this evening, woman breaks her silence after being accused of bleaching her child's skin.
JCF wanted Wednesday blunder, wrong man featured.
The U.S. attorney weighs in on the legal woes of dancehall entertainer Squash. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up, we have the business news.
And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in the big show.
Thanks, Archibald. Well, convincing win by the Reggae Boys over Guatemala at the National Stadium in World Cup qualifying. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, there's a weak tropical wave that should be moving into the area tomorrow. It's likely that we do get some shower activity. However, we still have strong suppression from all that dust that is still lingering in the area.
So, drama in the weather report and forecast. You can find out more later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, do you think people would stop using synthetic braids if they knew it contains harmful toxins? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.